The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Sur in Region 1 or Ilocos Region. The province of Ilocos Sur has the city of Vigan as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 1 or Ilocos Region. It is composed of 2 cities, 32 municipalities, and 768 barangays. It was founded on June 13, 1572. The total land area is 2,596.00 kilometers squared or 1,002.32 square miles. Ilocos Sur is bordered clockwise from the north by Ilocos Norte, Abra, Mountain Province, Benguet, La Union, and the South China Sea. The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Sur are the following. We have the municipality of Alilim with 9 barangays, municipality of Banayoyo with 14 barangays, municipality of Bantay with 34 barangays, municipality of Burgos with 26 barangays, municipality of Cabugao with 33 barangays, the city of Candon as a component city with 42 barangays, the municipality of Cauayan with 17 barangays, and the municipality of Cervantes with 13 barangays. We also have the municipality of Galimuyod with 24 barangays, municipality of Gregorio del Pilar with 7 barangays, municipality of Lidlida with 11 barangays, municipality of Magsingal with 30 barangays, municipality of Nagbukel with 12 barangays, municipality of Narvacan with 34 barangays, municipality of Quirino with 9 barangays, and the municipality of Salcedo with 21 barangays. We also have the municipality of San Emilio with 8 barangays, municipality of San Esteban with 10 barangays, municipality of San Ildefonso with 15 barangays, municipality of San Juan with 32 barangays, municipality of San Vicente with 7 barangays, municipality of Santa with 26 barangays, municipality of Santa Catalina with 9 barangays, and the municipality of Santa Cruz with 49 barangays. We also have the municipality of Santa Lucia with 36 barangays, municipality of Santa Maria with 33 barangays, municipality of Santiago with 24 barangays, municipality of Santo Domingo with 36 barangays, municipality of Sigay with 7 barangays, municipality of Sinait with 44 barangays, municipality of Sugpon with 6 barangays, and the municipality of Suyo with 8 barangays. We also have the municipality of Tagudin with 43 barangays, and the city of Vigan as the provincial center or the provincial capital with 39 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Sur in Region 1 or Ilocos Region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.